guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up? So y'all, in today's video we are going to be doing something to my hair. I don't know if y'all remembered in the vlog this past week, I was doing my hair, y'all, and I noticed it was damaged a whole lot, looking like this bird's nest right here. So I figured I'd come to one of the best stylists that I know, my mama, okay, and have her hook me up. So let's go ahead and get this hair tamed. So after she was done combing it out, this is what it looked like. As y'all can see, my hair was dry. It looked like it just needed to be revived 100%. So she went ahead and washed me up, and I believe she used Design Essentials to wash my hair. But y'all, this is what my natural hair was looking like after it was washed and conditioned. It was looking a mess. Like, as y'all can see, my hair grows pretty funny, so I'm pretty excited to get it back on track and, you know, I don't know, something, okay? So yeah, after she combed it out and everything like that, she went ahead and threw that blow dryer on my hair. Now she used a cool setting just to kind of like get my hair dry a little bit and stuff like that. And then from there, she then went in with the blow dryer and started to actually straighten my hair with the blow dryer. Now, one thing that I will say is that I truly love coming to my mom to get my hair done. It always makes me feel like I am still her baby girl, getting my hair done, sitting in her chair. It's just so nice. Like, it just brings back those moments that I just absolutely love. So shout out to my mom for hooking me up. I truly love you and appreciate you, queen. All right. But anyways, y'all, so after she kind of like blew dry my hair straight as best as she could, she had to go back in with that blow dryer again so that this hair can get straight, because I don't know, my hair, like I told y'all, it be moving real funny sometimes. But this is how it looks. Hasn't been cut or anything like that. This is just wash and blow dry straight. As y'all can see, it doesn't appear to be too damaged like it was before. But yeah, she's gonna go ahead and cut this. I was definitely thinking, you know, it was gonna have to be shorter than what it was cut, but I really just told my mom, like, hey, you know, cut everything that is dead, you know, like, I'm not attached to my hair, cut everything. And then see, like, y'all know I had to hurry up and get like a little TikTok in as well. So now I just let y'all into how I even film my TikToks. But yeah, so she went in and she just pretty much cut everything that was dead. You know, I told her, don't leave anything. If we're gonna have to start over, we're gonna have to start over. But praise the Lord, we did not have to start over. That would have took your girl out, okay?
I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Yeah, I did it all. Situation makes me feel I'm not a man at all. Swore I'd be this fool that I catch you fall. I guess I couldn't handle it.
Now, I will say that this haircut really did do me some justice. It took me from looking like to looking like a grown woman. This haircut was everything for me, to be honest with you. And look, y'all, the hair is back healthy. Now I feel like it can actually grow at a good length from here. And I don't know, maybe we can get hair down our back or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, this is the natural hair blown out, looking great. Y'all, I love my hair. But anyways, and now she's gonna go in and just straighten my hair. Now, I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but my hair type is definitely 3C. I believe that I have more than one texture in my hair, but for the most part, I can say that these curls are definitely 3C.
Don't want to fight anymore.
Okay, y'all, so as my mom was straightening my hair, I really fell in love with this haircut even more once I seen how it looked straight. It looks nice and full, and y'all know how at the beginning of the video my hair had those funky layers just because of how it grows. Y'all, this haircut right here really did your girl right with getting my hair even and just back on track. So I'm very excited. As y'all can't tell, your girl was shaking and bobbing. I was like, look, it's moving. It's got body, okay? It's got body. But yeah, y'all, I really think that I'm gonna have to, you know, bust out some of the natural hairstyles, or just, you know, really focus on, you know, wearing and growing my natural hair, okay? So after she went through and straightened my hair, she then went through and just put some little spiral curls in it from the flat iron that I brought. I just felt like I wanted some body. I wanted some, you know, cute wavy curls, that little beach wave curl. So that's what we were going for. Ooh, and y'all see the way that the hair is curling, like it's really doing its thing. The hair is hairing, okay? Y'all, as damaged as my hair was, I cannot believe I had enough nerve to be sitting here crying about how much was cut off. Like, had I been taking care of my hair instead of just slapping a little wig on it, everything would be all right. Maybe I wouldn't be, you know, having to go through this. But that's okay, because it was a straight grown woman. That's exactly what this haircut was giving. Like, y'all, I'm so excited. We got things to do with this haircut. I'm trying to tell y'all. So one thing I will say is that I really love this haircut. I love the curls. I loved how much body it gave to me, but I just felt like maybe I needed to do my makeup or something like that. Like, wearing my natural hair is definitely something that I need to get used to. Like, it's cute, and it's giving curl bae, it's giving hey, but I guess I'm not used to wearing my natural hair like I should be. So I had my mom put some more curls in there, a little bit more tighter of the curls, and I was straight looking like Snoop Dogg off of Baby Boy. But that is okay, that is okay, because everything still turned out right. Curls, hair turned out right, okay, y'all, so this is the next day. I did my makeup. Like I told y'all, I'm trying to get used to having short hair. So the next day I went ahead, I did these little baby hairs. I mean, what I have of these baby hairs, I went ahead and did these baby hairs. You know, full disclosure, my edges, my sides are very thin, so sometimes it's a little hard for me to want to wear my natural hair, but it is okay. But y'all, this is how the hair looked. I went ahead and did a little side part. It's full of body still, even with the humidity getting to it outside. Everything is still doing its thing, but this is the hair, y'all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out some more of my content, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell on the side so that you can be part of the family, and I'll see y'all in my next video.